Next question. See here. In this question, when three sides and two included angles are given. Three sides and included angles are given. So how we can construct quadrilateral if they given three sides and two included angles. Clear? So the first question is construct a quadrilateral. Construct quadrilateral here. That means DEAR quadrilateral. So now DE side DE is given 4 centimeter and EA is 5 centimeter and AR is equal to 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 centimeter and angle E is equal to 60 degree and angle A is equal to 90 degree. So two angles are given and three sides are given. You know, three sides are given and two angles are given. So by using that, you have to construct a quadrilateral here. So clear? So which quadrilateral? DEAR. So in that, first you have to draw a rough diagram, rough sketch of quadrilateral. You know the shape of quadrilateral. So draw one quadrilateral like this. Then which side you can consider as base, that you have to think. So what is given? DE is given. So you can consider DE is base, or here EA is given. So this also you can consider base or AR is a base. So here I consider DE is a base. So this point is D and here this is a E. So right, DE is a 4 centimeter. DE is 4 centimeter. And what is EA? So what is EA? EA is 5 centimeter. And what is AR? So this is R. This point is R. So AR is 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 centimeter. And what is DR? DR is not given. Only three sides are given. And how many angles are? Two angles are given. One is angle E. So right here, angle E is 60 degree. So angle E measures 60 degree. And angle A is 90 degree. So angle A is 90 degree and angle A is 60 degree. So now first we have by using this rough diagram, you have to construct a quadrilateral. So now you have to take exact measurement. See, what is the base? Base is DE 4 centimeter. So by using ruler, using scale, draw a line that is 4 centimeter. This is what? D. This point is D and this is the E. So this is 4 centimeter. So this is a 4 centimeter. Now next, see the rough diagram. Here this given angle E is given 60 degree. So measure 60 degree. Angle E protractor on point E. Clear? Because the angle E is given. So keep protractor on point E. Clear? So what is the angle E? 60 degree. Measures 60 degree. That means that is acute angle, right? So now keep protractor on line on point E. So start counting from 0. 0 is here. So not external. So on the line you should start. So inside the line. So that is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 60 is here. 40, 50, 60. So mark 60 degree. Clear? So mark 60 degree. Next, so draw a line. Draw a line like this. This is what? 60 degree. So write 60 degree. That is angle E. Next, see the rough diagram. Angle 60. After that, you have to take AE side. AE is 5 centimeter. So in compass, you take 5 centimeters. Take 5 centimeters in compass. Okay. So next, take 5 centimeters in compass. Then now keep compass on point E. This is the point E. This is what? This measures 5 centimeter, right? So now come in compass. Take 5 centimeter and draw arc. This arc will cut previous drawn line. Correct? This arc will cut our previous drawn line at one point. The point is, see the rough diagram. So this point is A. Yeah. So when you see the rough diagram and construct. So now A is this point is A. Now angle A is 90 degree. given, that is the 90 degree. So how to measure? By using protractor we can measure 90 degree. So keep a protractor on point A, keep like this line. So like this you have to keep protractor, then you have to measure 90 degree. So now angle is 90 degree. So you know 90 degree means you get exact in the middle, right? 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90. So mark 90 degree. This is what the 90 degree. So now next we have to draw line, straight line. So right here this is 90 degree. Angle A is a 90 degree. Next what is given? Side is given. Yes, your DR is not given. Only AR side is given. So now what is AR? The length of side AR is 4.5 centimeter. So in compass you have to take a 4.5 centimeter. Okay, 4.5 centimeter and keep compass on point A. Keep a compass on point A and draw arc. Draw arc. This arc will cut a previous drawn line. Suppose if it is not, it will not intersect, then you have to extend the line. Clear? So you have to extend that line. It will intersect at one point. Correct? So arc will cut the line at one point. That point is arc. That point is the arc. See the rough diagram. Is it correct? Yes, this is the arc. So next what we have to do? We have to join A, not A, D, R. Correct? We have to join these points. Which point? D and R. So if you join this, you will get a shape of quadrilateral DEAR. Correct? DR. That is a DEAR quadrilateral. So I think this AR is given 4.5 centimeter. Right? So this is 90 degree, 60 degree. Now see the shape of quadrilateral DEAR. So understood how to construct a quadrilateral here. So explain the steps. First you have to take base DE 4 centimeter. Then measure 60 degree. Keep protractor on point E and measure 60 degree. So next AE side is given. That is a 5 centimeter. So in compass you have to take 5 centimeter and cut the arc. So that point we get one point. That point is A. Next angle A is given. Angle A is given. So you measure angle A, that is 90 degree. Okay. Next this side means AR side is given 4.5 centimeter. So in compass go to draw arc 4.5 centimeter. So this will that line will intersect. Arc and line will intersect at one point. That point is arc. Last step you have to join D and R. So that we get shape of a quadrilateral DEAR. Thank you. Okay. The next question is construct a quadrilateral true. Construct quadrilateral true. TRUE. In this, the length of side TR is given, that is 3.5 centimeter, and RU is given 3 centimeter. Then UE, length of side UE is 4 centimeter. Then one angle is given, that is angle R is equal to 75 degree and angle U is equal to 120 degree. Clear? 120 degree. Now you have to construct a quadrilateral true. First you have to draw a rough diagram of a quadrilateral. So this is what a rough sketch of quadrilateral true. So if you name this is a T, and see the question here. What is given? TR is given. So you can consider TR as a base, or you can consider RU is a base, or UE is a base of this quadrilateral. So if you consider TR is base and TR, then this is U and this point is a U. So E. So TR UE is a quadrilateral. Now you have to get the sides. So what is the length of the sides? TR is given 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter. And what is RU? RU is 3 centimeter and UE is 4 centimeter. But TE, length of side T is not given, right? So next angles are given, that is angle R is equal to, that is 75 degree. Angle R is 75 degree. So what is angle U? It is 120 degree. So angle U is 120 degree. Angle R is 75 degree. Okay. Now first you have to take base. So which is the base here? Base is TR. So TR is a base, that is a 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter is a base of a quadrilateral. So this is the T and this point is R. So right here 3.5 centimeter is the base. Next you have to measure angle R. So angle R is given, that is 75 degree. So now you have to keep protractor on point R and measure 75 degree. Measure 75 degree. That means see from the point R, see, count from 0, protractor must keep like this and count from 0, 0, that is, this you will get outer scalar, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, that is 75 degrees. 75 means that lies between 70 and 80. 75 is lying between 70 and 80. Clear? So now mark 75 degree. Then by using scale, you have to draw a line, straight line like this. So it measures 75 degree. Here this measures 75 degree. That is point R. Angle R is 75 degree. Here. So next the side RU is given. What is RU? That is 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. So now you have to measure 3 centimeter. Take 3 centimeter in compass. Take 3 centimeter in compass and listen. Say R is the center of a quadrilateral. Say R is center now. So take 3 centimeter in compass and draw arc. Clear? So this arc will cut the previous drawn line. Clear? So this arc will cut the previous drawn line at one point. That point is U. So this point is U. Clear? So now this is R and this is U. Now what we want? We want this side. Angle U is given, right? Angle U is given and UE, length of side UE is not given. So now I will measure 120 degree in protractor. So keep protractor like this on point U. Keep protractor on point U and see measure 120 degree. So 120 degree is the obtuse angle, right? So listen, start counting from 0. So 0 is here. That means here also we get outer scalar. So count from 0. 0, 10, 20. See 90 is here. Right? 90, 100, 110, 120. So we get obtuse angle. This is a 120 degree. Mark 120 degree. Next you have to draw a line like this. Draw a line. If you want, you can extend this line. Clear? So now what is angle U? Angle U is a 120 degree. Okay, right here 120 degree. So next the side UE is given. The length of side UE is given. That is 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. So now measure 4 centimeter in compass. Take 4 centimeter and so listen. See U is a point. Now U is a point and you know UE is a 4 centimeter. So UE is 4 centimeter. Then you have to draw arc. So this arc will intersect. See, this arc will cut the previous drawn line at one point. Correct? So this arc will cut the line at one point. That point is E. So this point is E. Now you have to join TE. Clear? Join TE. Join TE. So what is UE? UE is 4 centimeter. So right, we have 4 centimeter. We know RU or UR, that is 3 centimeter. So write like this. Then we get the shape of a quadrilateral. Which quadrilateral? That is TRUE, true quadrilateral. Clear? So the question is, construct quadrilateral true in that TR, the side TR is given and RU is given and UE is given. Then two angles are given. One angle is angle R another one angle U. Clear? So now first you have to draw rough diagram, rough sketch. You know the shape of quadrilateral, right? So first draw rough diagram of quadrilateral. Then you have to consider a base. Base, if you take TR is 3.5 centimeter. If you want, you can change the side base. Base you can take RU. RU you can consider base, or UE is a base. Clear? So here I consider TR as a base. So the side TR, the length is given, that is 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter is a TR. When RU is given 3 centimeter, then one angle is given, right? So this is the angle R. So angle R is a 75 degree and angle U is given 120 degree. Then side UE is a 4 centimeter. Clear? So now first you have to take base TR. TR is a base, that is 3.5 centimeter. Next you have to measure angle R. Angle R is a 75 degree. Clear? R is 75 degree. So by using protractor you can measure angle 75 degree. Clear? Mark 75 degree, then draw a line. So next RU. RU is a 3 centimeter. So in compass you have to take 3 centimeter and draw arc. So this arc will cut the line at one point. See, we will get to the second point. Point is a U. Clear? So this point is a U. Now next you have to measure angle U. Angle U is given now, that is 120 degree. 120 degree. So measure 120 degree and so again your UE is given 4 centimeter. In compass you have to take 4 centimeter. Then cut the line at one point. That point is a E. Clear? Next you have to join TE and UE. So now we will get the shape of a quadrilateral. It is a 2. The quadrilateral is a 2 quadrilateral.